In this video, we're going to compare these two Qi2 MagGo power banks by Anker. These both give you Qi2 charging that supports speeds up to 15 watts of power whenever you're using a Magsafe compatible iPhone or iPhone case. They just snap directly onto the back of your phone like that. They're going to be able to charge your phone faster than a standard 7.5 watt Magsafe charger. They also both include a single USB-C port on the side of them, and they also both give you a USB-C to USB-C cable. These are two different sizes though. The 1643 is a 6.6 thousand milliamp hour battery and the 1654 is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. So the 1654 will give you just under 2 charges on your iPhone 15, and the 1643 will give you just over 1 charge. The 1643 has this hinge on the middle, so you're able to stand it up like that, and then you can watch videos on your phone really easily because this one has a very durable kickstand. It's also great for FaceTime as well because you can really change the angle of this power bank. Now the 1654 does give you a kickstand as well, but it's at one fixed angle, so this is going to be stuck down like that. You can't really stand it up straight up. It's only going to be able to lean all the way back. Both of these do have a single button. The folding one gives you indicator lights to show you how much charge is left. On this one, you actually get a digital screen that tells you the total percentage. It also tells you how long till your device is fully charged. One other cool thing on both of these, you can actually plug them into a device using the USB-C port on the side of it, but this one is going to give you 27 watts of power using the USB-C port, so this will be able to charge things even faster if you plug it directly in. So which of these should you buy? I would buy the 1654 if you want the better display and if you want more charges and the extra output on the USB-C port, but I would buy the 1643 if you want to have the more flexible hinge on it so you can change the angle of your phone and if you really want to use this to watch a lot of videos while charging your iPhone.